So next is str int and float function. So if we want to concatenate an integer such as 29 with the string to pass to print, you need to get the value 29. It's the same example as I said. 20 in the previous case, 25 was integer, so we'll get an error in order to convert that into string, correct? So instead of that, you can directly use str function. So whatever you will give inside the str, it will be taken as a string only. See here, see the example str of 23. So what is the output you got? What is the output you got for str of 23?
23.
23 within quote. See the output properly. Within single quote means it is converted into a string. 23 is an integer. You have passed it that 23 to an integer to a string function. That means output is string. That 23 is now string. So that's the reason you can use str function. So here str function can be passed as an integer value and it will evaluate to a string value of the version. Same thing, str of 29. It will result is 29. So same example, see here, 29 will give a string. In the previous case, I am 25 years old, correct? Here we'll get error because 25 an integer. Next, what we'll do? We'll quote that with the single quote, clear? So that problem is solved. Directly we can use single quote. Another thing is, instead of single quote, use that 25 inside str. Whether you got an error here?
No, ma'am.
No.
Directly it is converted into string. There are two options. Either you can use an integer within a single quote or use or call str function. Clear? Same thing. I am str 25 years old. 25, that integer is converted into string, so we didn't get any error. It will print I am 29 years old. This is about string function. Next we'll see other example. So first one is str of 0. str of 0, that 0 is converted into string. Same, whatever value will pass inside the str, it is converted into string only. str of minus 3.14, it is converted into string minus 3.14. Other two function, one is string function, other two functions are int and float. If you pass, I will see int. Now what is the value passed to the int function? Whether it is an integer or string.
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 So if you pass, another function is int. If you pass a string to an int, it should convert that into an integer, correct? So there is no single quote. Similarly, if you pass another function as float, if you pass a string, 3.14, again, quote is missing, 3.14, again it is converted into floating point integer. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Another example, to the integer we are passing floating point number. It is an integer. What is the result of that? What is the result?
Integer.
Only integer part, correct? 23.34, it will give only the integer part. See, the value which you pass to the int is a number only, not the string. Next one, float of 23. If we give float of 23, what it should display? Floating point, correct?